Boom shakalaka. How would you like to 100x your Bitcoin right now? I mean, as we can see, Bitcoin is up almost 2% today. It's been going sideways for a few days. People are bullish, some people are bearish. But how would you like to 100x your Bitcoin before the top? Stay tuned. What's up, everyone? Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, short little video for you guys, how to 100x your Bitcoin right now. Now, people are talking. Some people are bullish for Bitcoin. Some people are starting to get a little bit bearish for Bitcoin. They think the $20,000 is double top. It's not going any higher. I mean, we have some analysts saying that surging Bitcoin whale inflows heighten the chance of Bitcoin correction. They take a look at this chart right here, and they're saying, hey, if we take a look, there's a lot of these big red candles right here. What happens after these big red candles? If we take a look at this one, Bitcoin price here in the black went down. So that must be a sign that Bitcoin price is going to go down. Well, let's look at some other places where there are some big red candles. How about right here? Bitcoin price went up. Okay, how about right here? Bitcoin price went up. So it's not definitely certain. But what is certain is that one of the best traders ever, Paul Tudor Jones, lays out the belief that Bitcoin is the new gold, and coming up in the future, every sovereign nation will have a digital currency. Furthermore, he goes on to say that a $500 billion market cap for cryptocurrencies in a $100 trillion financial market with how many untold trillions of dollars of fiat money is just unreasonable. It's way too low. It's like the internet in the 90s, investing in internet stocks in the 90s, well before the crash of 2000. He says people just don't understand how to value it right now, and because of that, it is way undervalued. So, I've read some articles about this $100 trillion money. I mean, we have institutions buying into Bitcoin in massive scale. We have PayPal and Cash App buying more Bitcoin than is actually being printed. We have Grayscale owning 1 out of every 30 Bitcoin. Okay, we have institutions, we have MicroStrategies buying up tons of Bitcoin. Well, at their disposal, they have $100 trillion. Now, obviously, they're not like us. They're not going to go all in. They're not going to put all their money into cryptocurrencies. They kind of have to hedge it. But I've heard estimates where they'd be looking to put between 5 and 15% into cryptocurrencies because they see this as the future of finance. It's the newest asset class. It's the best producing asset class in the last 10 years. Well, I also found this fact on Twitter from one of my favorite analysts, Willy Woo. He talks about the dollar gain in market cap per dollar invested has significantly increased over the past cycles. Hodlers are hodling stronger. Back in 2013 bull run, it was $2. In 2017, it was $2.50. And for 21 and beyond, it's going to be $3.50 or more. That means that for every dollar put into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, the market cap goes up. It used to be twice. So for every dollar, the market cap went up $2. Well, now it's $3.50 or more. So, my friends, here is how you 100x your Bitcoin. And pay attention. Okay? So right now, institutional investors have $100 trillion at their disposal to invest. They're now seeing for the first time ever, and they're believing for the first time ever. This did not happen in 2017, didn't even happen in 2019, where they're starting to believe in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Now, let's say they have 15% of this $100 trillion at their disposal. If they do, then they would have a whopping $15 trillion to invest in Bitcoin. That's a lot. You guys remember the overall cryptocurrency market cap right now is about $500 billion. That's 1/30 of this $15 trillion right there. Now, if we follow this line all the way down, let's put that money into Bitcoin. Okay, because right now they're not buying up cryptocurrencies. I mean, cryptocurrencies do not have a supply issue. Bitcoin is the hardest money that's ever been around. There's a fixed supply. Okay, it's scarce. Cryptocurrencies don't have scarcity. Altcoins don't have scarcity. There's new altcoins all the time. I mean, sure, there's one Ethereum, and sure, Cardano and all that stuff. But really, when I got into crypto, there was like 1,000 some altcoins. Now there's over 5,000 some altcoins. And I'm sure in the next 4 years, there's going to be 50,000 altcoins. But let's say they put their money in Bitcoin. Okay. Well, they put that $15 trillion into Bitcoin, but that's not going to increase the Bitcoin market cap from 0.5 trillion to 15.5 trillion. No, that's going to increase it 3.5 times. If you remember this thing from Willy Woo, it goes up 350 for every dollar invested. If they're investing $15 trillion, it goes up 3.5 times to a $52.5 trillion market cap, which as of right now is 100 times the current market cap, making for a, wait for it, did I do my math right? $2 million Bitcoin. My goodness. And you know, if you look at the stock to flow model, not that far off for 2024. Now, granted, are they all going to pop their money in now? No, they don't invest like retail investors. They don't FOMO in like all of us. They buy the dip. Unfortunately, they're skilled investors, unlike a lot of us. But if we take a look at things, guys, so the answer to how to 100x your Bitcoin right now is don't sell it. HODL it. You HODL it, you 100x it. Almost guaranteed, based on one of the best traders ever, Paul Tudor Jones, and one of the best analysts ever, Willy Woo, and one of the best drawers ever, me. All right, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Some of that was probably behind my head, but we'll fix that. Anyways, like the video, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Peace.